Namaste, I am Megha Khurana. Welcoming Yoga with Megha Khurana. So let's start today yoga practice. So first of all we start with warm up. So stretch your arm up, go right side and then go left side. And again right side and then left side. And then bend forward, come up. Again bend forward, up, forward, up, bend forward, up, again bend forward, come up, bend forward, then twist from left to right. Now move your shoulders and arms. Now reverse. Now we do neck rotation. And other direction. Now we rotate our ankle. Now other side. Now bend your leg. Now other side. So our warm up is complete. So let's start with workout. So inhale, raise your arm up, exhale, go forward and then come in plank pose and we repeat this thing. Then up, then forward and come in plank pose. Then come up, forward and come in plank pose. Then come up, forward, come in plank pose. Then up, forward, and come in plank pose. Up, forward, and come in plank pose. Now from plank pose, come to downward dog pose. And then move your hand in downward dog pose. Do it 5 to 6 times. Now goes to cobra pose. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then comes to downward dog pose and raise your right leg up and bend your knee. Leg up, 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 bend your knee, leg up, bend your knee and place your feet between your hands, and then we come in Veerbhadrasana 2 and reverse warrior. Again warrior pose, warrior 2 pose, then reverse warrior. We make transition between warrior 2 and reverse warrior. Warrior 2 and reverse warrior. Now come to downward dog pose and we do with other leg. Raise your left leg up and bend your knee, touch your elbow. Up, bend your knee, touch your elbow. Leg up, bend your knee, touch your elbow. Leg up, bend your knee. Leg up, bend your knee. Leg up, bend your knee. Leg up, and then place the, I will show from this side. We come to warrior 2 and then reverse warrior. Make transition between warrior 2 and reverse warrior. And then comes to downward dog pose and sit in Vajrasana. Now lift up. We do variation of camel pose. Bend backward. And stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we do camel pose. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then come to child pose. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we do camel pose with one arm. So lift your right arm up and then lift your left arm. Lift your right arm up and then sit down. Lift your other arm up and sit. Lift your other arm up and then sit down. Lift your other arm up and then sit. Lift your other arm up. Now relax. So come in cat and cow pose. Okay. Interlock your legs. Cross your legs and we do push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then lie down on your abdomen and interlock your fingers and lift your legs up. Bend your knees. We do Dhanurasana. Now child pose. Then we do stand on your feet, fingers of feet. We do Malasana. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we do backward bending in Malasana. Now other side. Other side. Now bend forward. Now sit in Dandasana with legs straight. Now lift your both legs up. Do it 5 to 10 times. Now we do Paschimottanasana. Raise your hand up and then bend forward. Catch your toes. Look forward. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come in cat and cow pose. We rotate our wrist of the hand. So we place our hand opposite side and then move back and forth, front and back. Then we can do downward dog in same position. We face hands toward us and then we do plank and the downward dog. Comes to child pose.